Angular signal is created using signal function that returns an object of writable signal. Signal can be either read-only or writable. Read-only signal is of signal data type. A writable signal is mutable. That means we can set and update its values. To change value of writable signal, we can use its two methods, set and update. Here we will discuss using update method. The difference is that set method sets a new value by replacing current value and emits notification to consumers. Update method updates the current value and emits notification to consumers. Okay, so let us understand more about the update method. I have created an application and I have two examples for the update method. Look at the first example. This is a component. I have a signal. It's a count, and what I am doing is after every 1 second I am updating signal. Just adding 1 means incrementing 1 after every 1 second. Look at the code. This is the signal, and inside set interval I am calling update method on our signal, and here we will get the current value C, and taking this current value I am just adding 1, and after every 1 second, this is 1000 millisecond, after every 1 second this line of code will be called. So count is updated after every second. In HTML template I am printing value, and to print in console I am using effect function. Inside constructor write the effect function. So what happens that when the count is updated, the value change will be here and it will also run. Effect listens the changes in a signal, and whenever there is change in signal value, effect will run. Okay, so let's check it. Server is already running. Look at the output. After every 1 second I have incremented 1. Look, if I am incrementing after every 2 seconds, then it will increment after every 2 seconds. Okay. I have one more example, and in this example I have created an interface user. It has two fields, user ID and username, and the signal is array of user, and I have already added 2 elements to this array. Here I am printing this array using for loop. Okay, and I have a button to delete the element. To add element, I have a form. I have created a form group here using user ID and username, and form is this. Once we submit the form, on form submit method will be called, and on form submit I am updating user list. User list has already 2 elements, and here I am pushing elements submitted by the form. Okay, then what will happen? Once element is added to user list, we can see changes here. Okay, and when we delete element, it calls delete user method. Delete user method is here. I get the ID, and using ID I am deleting that element from the user list. Look, filtered using user ID and matching the user ID, and once we call this method for the specified ID, that element will be deleted from the user list. Let's check the output. Okay, it has 2 elements already added. Now add more. Add it, and we can see the changes reflected at once. Okay, so update method is updating the signal, and signal is notifying all the dependents, and we get the result here. Let's delete any element. Suppose with the ID 11, deleted, deleted, deleted. In this way, we can see that whenever we are deleting the element, the user list is being updated, and the signal is notifying the dependents, and we can see the changes. Okay, that's all. Thank you.